Budget-friendly tips for moving this winter. Why winter is the best season to save on moving costs. When most people think about moving, summer usually comes to mind as the ideal time to make a move due to the additional free time that many people and families have during this season. For starters, the demand for moving services is much lower than during the summer, meaning you're far less likely to deal with packed schedules and unavailable dates. During the summer, demand for moving companies skyrockets as families take advantage of school breaks and warm weather to schedule their moves. Our transparent pricing ensures you won't encounter surprise fees, and our experienced team is prepared to handle winter-specific challenges. Flexibility can also help you avoid any additional fees that may come with last-minute bookings. Weather-related delays, icy roads, or damage to items from snow and moisture can lead to unexpected expenses. Packing can be a major expense during the moving process, but there are ways to save money without cutting corners. Winter weather can be unpredictable, and while movers do their best to protect your belongings, weather-related accidents can happen during the cold season. The unique combination of lower costs, flexible scheduling, and plenty of deals to take advantage of, a winter move is an excellent opportunity to make your move affordable and hassle-free. If you're ready to start planning your winter relocation, contact Best Miami Movers today. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.